Once upon a time, in a land not so far away, there were two girls, Pretty and Prettier. And life was happy and happier. One day, Pretty got smart, but Prettier was smarter. And then life was awesome and awesomer. Till the day life got pretty sad, but Prettier was sadder. So they went to find a cure. It got pretty messy and took pretty long, but for Prettier, life was faster, easier, simpler. With over 500 exclusive service centers, guaranteed 1-hour quick repair and 30-day phone replacement, help comes faster, easier and warmer at Oppo Care. Reach Oppo customer care 24/7 through Oli, India's first AI-powered chatbot.
Oppo.